Pelicans are built for a life along the coast. Their movements, from the slow glide to the sudden dive, are shaped by wind, water, and instinct. Today we're taking a closer look at the behaviors that help these birds thrive. Their low-level glide isn't graceful, it's efficient. By flying close to the water, pelicans ride a cushion of air that lets them travel long distances with almost no effort. As they move, pelicans constantly scan the water below. A ripple, a flash of silver, a shift in shadow. These tiny cues guide their next decision. Every glide is a part of a search pattern. When the movement is right, the glide becomes a dive. Wings lock, the head angle forward, and the bird commits in a single motion. Their bodies are built to absorb the impact, turning a dramatic plunge into an efficient hunt. After the dive, the pelican's bill works like a net. Water drains out while the fish remains inside. Whether hunting alone or in groups, this simple strategy keeps them successful in changing conditions. Every glide, dive, and moment of rest tells the story of a bird perfectly adapted to life at the edge of land and sea.